What's up, guys? So, today I am starting my trip from London to Paris. I'll be taking the Eurostar. So, I am currently at St. Pancras International. So, the Eurostar train leaves from this station. And yeah, if you want to take the Eurostar, you should come to this station. All the Eurostar trains to Paris, Belgium, Amsterdam leave from this station. So yeah, I'm just heading towards my platform. So yeah, these are the signs. You can see St. Pancras is this way. So yeah, I'll head off and show you the. So guys, this is the station here. Here you have all the shops and all. And yeah, if you want to eat something and all, you can take things from here. It also has a number of shopping outlets as well, in case you want to shop at the station. So it's quite a nice station. Here you have a cute bakery shop as well. You can buy macaroons and all. It's a very famous bakery shop. So yeah, lots of options here. So yeah, in case you come early morning here for your train and all, you can have a quick bite here. Or yeah, if you forget something, you can probably shop from here as well. So yeah, I think we will now head towards security and border passport control. So it's like a flight only where you have to go through the security and passport control as well. So yeah, I'll head off there. So this is the ticket scanner. So when you buy tickets, you get a QR code and just scan tickets here and the gates will open. So it's just like a boarding pass basically. I will now proceed to the bag checking and security. So guys, finally we have boarded our train. So this is the Eurostar. We literally had to run. So my advice will be, if you guys are traveling, make sure you arrive at the platform at least 1 hour before. We only had half an hour and we really had to rush. The staff had to escort us to the train. But yeah, all good for now. So yeah, these are the seats. Quite good leg room and all. And yeah, you also have a good screen here where all the information and speed and all will be shown. I'll show you that once the train starts. I have traveled in this train before, and yeah, it is really good and convenient. And we also have cafe inside the train. It's just literally next to the coach we are sitting in. So yeah, if you want, you can grab coffee, croissants and all from the cafe as well. So yeah, I might show you a tour of the train once it gets running. Wait for that. Okay guys, so finally the train is departing. These are the views of the station platform. It's a wonderful station. As I said, you have all the bakeries, shops here at King's Cross. So yeah, looking forward to this journey. I'll show you some clips and views as we go along this journey. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, inside the train you also get free Wi-Fi. So this is the Eurostar trains network. You can see I don't have any signal on my phone, but yeah, you can always connect to the Wi-Fi if you need to message or watch something. The speed is not that great. It's mostly 3G and 4G, but yeah, it works for basic messaging and all. So guys, finally we have reached Paris. Just boarding out of the train and making our way out. The train takes approximately 2.5 hours. It was a very comfortable journey. So yeah, this is the train, and yeah, it arrives at Paris Gare du Nord. Our hotel is quite nearby. So yeah, this was the journey, nice and smooth. I'll show you more clips from the Paris as I roam around in the next video. Guys, just exited the station. Yeah, this is the Paris Gare du Nord station. I'll be heading towards my hotel now. It's only a 5 minutes walk from here. Yeah, at the station itself you can see a lot of bakeries. So Paris is famous for its bakeries and all. Has quite a good vibe. Just exited the station. Yeah, this is the outside view of the station. At least it's not raining today, so yeah, this is the good part. Yeah, this is the Gare du Nord station. So yeah, I'll head towards my hotel and yeah, we'll show you some views along. So guys, finally we have arrived at our hotel. This is our hotel. It's called Hotel Liberal. As I said, only a 5 minutes walk from the station. So yeah, if you're looking to stay near the station, I would recommend this. I'll show you the hotel from inside. Okay guys, so finally we are going out. So today sun is out, so we are trying to make most of our day. So the first place that we will be visiting is Notre Dame. It's a cathedral, so I'm going to take a bus from, I think, this station. Yeah, it's quite nearby. I think it will take 20 minutes to reach Notre Dame. So yeah, I'll show you some views along the way, and then yeah, Notre Dame once I reach. Guys, I'm waiting for the bus to Notre Dame. This is the vibe of the center here. A lot of shops around. Nice day. So one thing about the buses and trams here, if you buy a bus ticket, you need to validate it on the bus, and it is valid for 1 hour from the time you first validate it. You can also use the Navigo app to purchase and validate tickets, or you can purchase it from a metro station or a tram. There is no option to purchase tickets on the bus, on the board, so make sure you purchase the tickets beforehand. So guys, we are not able to get the bus to Notre Dame. We are just walking towards Notre Dame now. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic and some protests going on. Don't understand why in a city like this they don't have this, management. But yeah, on the way there are some beautiful views. This is the Chinatown here. I think there are a lot of Chinese restaurants over here. So yeah, I might try some on the way back. But yeah, for now I'm heading to. So guys, I'm walking towards Notre Dame. Yeah, on the way I think this is one of the attractions. I think it is called some hotel, but yeah, not sure it's a hotel or a palace. But yeah, it looks really pretty. Okay, I'll walk towards Notre Dame. Yeah, I think on the way there will be quite a few attractions. So guys, finally we have reached Notre Dame. This is one of the famous cathedrals here. I think it's closed to the public at the moment, but I'll try and figure out. But yeah, this is the view of the cathedral. Try and show you. So if it would have been open, we could have gone to the top and get a good view of the city. Basically, it's like very pretty, nice cathedral. So guys, I think this is open to the public, but look at the line here. Quite huge. Yeah. Not sure if we will be able to get the entry. There are a lot of people in the line. I'll try and get inside, and then yeah, hopefully we'll show you some clips from it. Okay guys, so finally we are in the line. The line is huge, so I don't think we'll be able to make it today inside the cathedral. But yeah, this is the view of the cathedral. It's very pretty, and yeah, if you go all the way up here, you can see the entire city from there. So yeah, it's a must visit. I'll try and visit this tomorrow again, but then yeah, see. So guys, this is one of their rivers called Serene River. This is a beautiful view here. I think this is one of the cathedrals here. It's looking really pretty. So I am heading towards a bakery or a cafe called Angelina. It is very famous for its hot chocolate. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you my experience over there. Meanwhile, enjoy this beautiful view of the river Serene. I'll see you in the next clip. So guys, I'm heading towards that Angelina cafe. On the way, there's this beautiful park. I think it's called St. James Park. Yeah, let me show you a bit of view of this. So yeah, this is the park. These are the benches here, and here you can sit, enjoy the view of the river Serene. Yeah, look how beautiful it is. Yeah, if you are walking towards the Angelina cafe, make sure stop around at this park. So guys, finally I have reached this Angelina cafe. There is a queue here. So as expected, all the famous places have the queue. So I'm just standing in the queue. There are a lot of luxury boutiques, hotels on this street. So yeah, I'm waiting in the line, and yeah, I hope it's worth waiting. So I'll show you the inside once I reach there. So guys, I'm still in the queue. Meanwhile, this is the menu that they have. Yeah, croissants, hot chocolate, frappe, cold drinks and all. They also have a set breakfast menu and all. So yeah, looks really tempting. It's a luxury cafe. You can see those in the rates as well. But yeah, I think the experience is definitely worth it, as I have seen in the reviews and all. So yeah, hopefully my experience goes well as well. So guys, finally I have entered this Angelina cafe. They have this takeaway counter. Here you can do the takeaways if you don't want to sit on my front. So there's a queue inside the cafe as well. So I'm just waiting to go inside. So there is a sitting area at the inside. I'll show you more once I reach there. Meanwhile, they have all these things on display as well. So these all products are on display. I think these are all the beauty products. This is a macaroon. Yeah. So I'm just entering the cafe. It's quite a luxury cafe. As I enter here, the vibes are really good. So guys, we have been given a table upstairs. Just walking towards that. It's a two-story cafe. So finally we have got our table. It's the view here from the cafe. Takeaway counter. So we'll order some drinks and dessert, and yeah, I'll show you how it goes. So guys, we have ordered hot chocolate and a brioche toast. So brioche toast is basically honey, jam and butter toast. It's a kind of a dessert, so it goes well with coffee and hot chocolate. So yeah, we have ordered that. But there are a lot of other desserts in this bakery, and yeah, if you come here you can try a lot of different things. One thing about this shop is that the takeaway rates are different to the dine-in rates. So yeah, it's like your choice. If you want to do the takeaway just for the food, you can do the takeaway as well from the outside. So all these are the takeaway counters, as you can see in this video, and the rates for the takeaway are quite cheap compared to the dine-in rates. But again, with the dine-in you get the luxury experience. You get to sit in a wonderful cafe, enjoy the beauty and aesthetics of this cafe as well, like this. So yeah, you can choose whatever option. I'll show you the hot chocolate and the brioche toast once it comes. Okay guys, so finally our food has arrived. So this is the brioche toast. This is the jam that they have given. This is the whipped cream, and I think this is the caramel chocolate or something that they have given. This is my favorite hot chocolate. Look how chocolatey it is. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy this and tell you my review, how it is. I'll see you in the next clip. So guys, finally we have eaten our food and had hot chocolate at this beautiful cafe. And then this is the store that they have on display. Look at these tray of macarons here, so you can purchase anything from the store if you want. These are all hand creams and all. They also have their signature hot chocolate ice frappe as well. So yeah, these are all the items here. So yeah, I'll wrap this up here and see you in the next. Okay guys, so now I'm visiting Louvre Museum. So Louvre Museum is a very famous place here in Paris. Has the famous painting of Mona Lisa inside it. I'm just heading to the museum. So it's a pyramid shaped museum basically. I'll just show you. I'm very close to the museum. Museum. The vibes here are absolutely fantastic. So you can enter inside the museum if you want to see the famous painting, but the vibes outside are equally amazing. Look at that. That's a pyramid shaped museum, and it looks absolutely stunning in the night. So, yeah, you can sit here, enjoy the view. Yeah, look at this. The view is absolutely amazing. What's up, guys? So on my day 2 in Paris, I'm visiting now the Eiffel Tower. So there are a few spots where you can get a good view of the Eiffel Tower. So one of them is called the Rue de l'Université. So this is the university area, and if you walk straight towards the Eiffel Tower from here, you can see a good view of the Eiffel Tower. Although this is not the main spot, I'm walking towards the main spot, which I'll show you, but this is said to be one of the best spots for viewing the Eiffel Tower. So I'm walking towards that spot, just going to cross the road and show you. So this is the Eiffel Tower, which is right in front of me. So once I cross the road, you will be able to see the perfect view of Eiffel Tower. Okay, let's go. Quite windy today, but I'm just walking towards the main viewpoint of Eiffel Tower, and here you go. This is the best view you can get of the Eiffel Tower. So if you want to get a good view of Eiffel Tower, make sure you visit this Rue de l'Université viewpoint. And yeah, here you can see this is the Eiffel Tower. I'll just go a bit closer and show you. So yeah, this is the best view of Eiffel Tower, and yeah, if you want to see a good view, make sure you visit this viewpoint. I'll see you in the next one. So guys, after Eiffel Tower, I'm going to another attraction here called Petit Palace. So I think it says free entry, and I think visitors entry are free. So yeah, I'll be heading inside it and show you. So guys, this is the entry for the palace. Just heading inside it. I think it's a free entry for visitors. Yeah, they haven't charged anything from me to enter this palace. So yeah, if you're looking for a free attraction to visit this, it's like really pretty. I'll show you some of the clips from inside. So guys, this is the inside of the palace. It's very pretty. The architecture is really nice, and yeah, as I said, the entry is free. So yeah, look at that. If you are visiting Paris, then yeah, you can visit this. It's right opposite to Arc de Triomphe. So guys, some more views from this palace. Yeah, I think outside here is a garden as well, but yeah, I think inside is very pretty, very old style. Look at those architecture. So yeah, if you are interested in exploring these things, make sure you visit this palace. So guys, after the Petit Palace, I'm now heading towards Arc de Triomphe. It's one of the major attractions here. So this is the path to walk to Arc de Triomphe, and yeah, you can see it's absolutely stunning. You have all the yellow lights here. Looks like walking into a tunnel, and then yeah, people playing music and all. So yeah, quite good views here. So yeah, if you are within Arc de Triomphe, to follow this path. It's absolutely stunning. I'll show you the Arc de Triomphe once I reach there. What's up guys, so I am currently at a mall called La Galeria Lafayette. So it's in Paris. It's a kind of luxury mall where you can find all the luxury and designer brands. It's a very very pretty mall. You can see it has been designed like a hotel and all. And I'll show you some of the good views from this mall. So it spans across 6 floors and it has a very good view of the Paris as well from its terrace. So I'm currently going to the 3rd floor and will show you some view. So guys, this is the view from the top. Look at those. These are all the brands. Imagine shopping here. It's a very luxury mall. So if you really want to buy some luxury brands, do come here. And yeah, this is the view. Very glamorous and all. They also have cafes and all here where you can have drinks and everything. So yeah, I would definitely recommend coming here. guys, this is the view of the mall. It looks really stunning. You find all the luxury brands here, some good discounts going on as well. So if you want to buy some luxury brands, do come here. And yeah, even if you don't want to shop, just come here for the views. It's absolutely stunning. So, yeah. That's the view from the mall. Hello guys, good morning. So today I am trying some traditional French breakfast at a local bakery called Carton in Paris. So most of the people here take coffee, croissant. Croissant are a very big thing here in France, and yeah, if you are here, you must try croissant from the local bakeries. These are very tasty. So I have ordered coffee. This is one of the pizza slices with chicken, and the famous one here at this bakery is this raspberry croissant. So look at this, it looks really amazing. And I've also ordered the traditional butter croissant here as well. And yeah, so I'll try this. And yeah, if you are visiting France, make sure you try these things from the local bakery. These are a must try. I'll enjoy this and see you in the next clip. So guys, this is the inside view of Notre Dame. Finally I was able to get the entry. So it's a beautiful cathedral, and yeah, if you are interested in watching the architecture and cathedral, do visit this. Here they have these tea lights light up, and yeah, you can see the architecture. It's quite beautiful. Yeah, so the architecture in France is quite nice. And yeah, this is the inside view of this Notre Dame Cathedral. Guys, this is the seating area where you can sit, and yeah, whenever there is a event in church, people do gather here and sit here for the events. So yeah, this is the main area. The views are absolutely stunning here. Yeah, so do come here, you will find some peace and yeah, very good views here. So yeah, I'll wrap this up here now with this stunning view.